Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Phatz Corner. Today we have R&B sensation Dominique Demo Williams. That's my cousin. We the Williamses.
Williams in the building. What's going on, cuz?
And how you doing?
I'm good, man. I'm good, man.
Thanks for coming in today. I met you like back about it's been a while. It's been almost 4 years now.
Yeah, it's been a good bit. Yeah.
Cause you were doing my anniversary shows all the
Mhm.
time.
Yep.
You used to have the crowd going.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's been a long time. We've been kicking it for a while with that off of Memorial Drive, all the way to my girlfriend's place. What's
Oh yeah, dang, I forgot about
That's
that girlfriend.
spot too. Yeah. We've been kicking it. We've been rocking it, man.
Definitely.
This is wonderful. I surely appreciate it. Most definitely.
So what's been going on with you?
Slow motion, man. Focusing on this album. Got an album coming out, Kingdom. Coming out soon. Still working, like I said, working on the mix and the mastering. In that phase right now. And once we sit down, group of us sit down, listen to the tracks and see, the order and if this is gonna make it or not. And then we'll be there and we'll be complete. But yeah, we almost there, man. Kingdom on the way.
Definitely. I know it's gonna be good. I
Oh, yeah.
know that for sure.
Yeah. It's a little bit of everything, man. A lot of people, people want me to do just, the love songs. Don't get me wrong, I got no problem with the love songs, but it's more of a variety, So when you enter in this kingdom, you seeing exactly all aspects of Demo. So it's not just the love maker. I can talk about, partying, having a good time, being with the homies, missing your homeboys, missing people that you lost along the way, things like that. And also, want to also say, rest in power, Miss Tangi. She was good, beautiful soul,
Definitely.
man. And also, rest in power to Papa Wells. He passed probably about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that's one of our guys, Green Boy. CEO Ben Hill Vic, that's his pops, man. So he's like family, what I'm saying.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
I just want to say, shout out to them, rest in power to both of them. Yeah,
I got you.
yeah.
So how long have you been doing music?
Oh man, I've been singing since I was 7 in the church. Cuz we're right there in church, man, right there in church. But nah, yeah, I've been singing in church since I was 7, man. And it was just something that stuck with me, throughout my journey, even throughout playing football, basketball, baseball, all the sports and all things like that. It just came out, singing, that's just one of the things that just stuck with me the most.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
So with the album coming out, do you think you'll be going on tour?
Well, not right now. Not thinking about, the tour. But if it comes, yeah, most definitely, definitely you want to, spread your music out if you can. Most definitely, yeah.
Yeah, get out to different genres of people instead of being Atlanta famous, how they call it.
Right,
How they
Atlanta
tell they
famous,
said
right.
you don't be Atlanta famous, you be famous there.
Right,
But I didn't
exactly.
ever understand that for a minute, and I understand what they mean now.
Right, exactly, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically what I've been doing, just trying to, really, like I said, focus on the album, man, and anything, whatever comes after that, it comes, man, and we'll go with it from there.
Okay, I got you.
Mhm.
What about like different collaborations? Do you like collaborating with different people, or is it like you have a certain set of people you'll collaborate with?
Well, normally, with my album, sometimes I just, do the album myself. Um, I have like a few probably collab. I think Bobby J, my dog, Green Boy representing. So he's on there. But mainly it's more me. It's just
Yeah.
you about to hear all the styles of me. Of course, if anything comes along, within this month, a good feature comes along, then yeah, they'll be on there. But nah, right now it's just me, just giving you, the elements of Demo basically.
Okay, I got you. So what would be the ideal place that you would say if you had your opportunity to perform somewhere? What place would you say would be like anywhere in the world you could perform, and what would you be your ideal place?
Like you mean like location
Yeah, like
wise,
location or venue.
venue? It don't matter, man. As long as I'm spreading music, good music, definitely, that's a good thing for me. Um, I've sung mainly everywhere. Weddings, sung at funerals,
Oh wow.
all type of events, regular concerts, regular parties, so it don't really matter. I just want to, like I said, spread the music out, make sure it's reaching that the right people,
The right crowd.
the right crowd. Yeah, and the only way you can do that is if you get out, and try to perform at any place, really. Most
Okay,
definitely. Yeah.
I got you. And with your music, how they say, one thing I always hear everybody talk about, do you think you want your music to cross over to different genres like far as what, like how they say you had to cross over sometimes to different,
Like
would you ever want
commercial
to,
type,
yeah,
like
like
commercial.
maybe to like the other different like said that I hate to say it like that, but the white crowd like would
Mm,
like switch over. 'Cause I know your music to me, it will go for everybody. But some people like, oh no, well you gotta kind of move over here like
yeah,
to the white crowd. They take like
yeah,
our music and try and
yeah,
move it to them.
yeah. I had an album I did with a guy Flow World Music. We call him World Music. And he does a lot of no genre type music. So it don't matter. He sometimes he do hip hop, sometimes he do up tempo music, pop music. We got a track called "Give Me Your Love" that we had back in 2020 that made a lot of buzz overseas. But yeah, I mean that was more of a crossover feel. So yeah, I've done that as well. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with it. So if it comes and if it's something that I like that I can do, then definitely I rock with it. So yeah, it's not really a. I don't really have a. I stick more to like R&B because that is my craft.
Yeah.
I don't like to step outside of it. But when it comes to singing,
Hmm.
it don't matter what genre. As long as if I can sing in it, then I jump on the track. It's no problem,
Okay, I got you.
and it's gonna sound good
Definitely.
too. Yeah.
So what other like? Have you ever performed out the country? I know your music is out the country, out the
Mhm.
country and over in the UK and over in Europe and everywhere. But have you ever performed like it said in like Europe anywhere?
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I had to think about it because I've been down in Barbados, but I don't think I ever performed. No, I didn't. No, so I haven't actually ever been outside of the country. But if it comes to a point that I'm able to do it, then yeah, most definitely would. But mainly, my main crowd is in the southeast area,
Yeah.
more like some up top East Coast. And some on the West Coast, but mainly it's more southeastern in that area. That area.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
'Cause I know a lot of the older like musicians and especially in R&B,
Mhm.
they say they get more love
Oh
overseas.
yeah.
So that's why I'm trying to I was trying to figure out how your
Oh,
younger
I can believe
crowd
it too,
would
though.
they do they consider that like going over the seas sometimes too?
Oh, I definitely would go if the opportunity comes. Most definitely.
Okay, I
Yeah.
got you.
Most definitely. Yeah. Yeah.
So since you've been doing the music, is that your only like music is the only field you're in right now? I know some people they're into music and then plus they're into like maybe acting, fashion, or in like a other field in the other fields, just music strictly.
Well, I mean, I have a movie that I'm in called Codes. Um, it was a Green Boy film. Shout out to Bobby J. Who helped with that, and also my boy L.A. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? He helped out with that too. So it was, I mean, yeah, I've done the acting field, and it's good, it's dope too because I used to do that type of stuff in school.
Hmm.
Um, but but yeah, I've done the acting. And of course, on top of that, singing. So I would say those are more the fields that I'm normally good at doing, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you had to pick like one, I know when I asked you about the collaboration before, but if you had to pick like one female artist that you could collaborate with a song, who would you think? It's so many of them. You
Yeah.
got, oh my God, you had Rihanna. Like even though she don't, she's not really trying. She's trying to be like she ain't trying to sing.
Right.
But then you got Beyonce. You got so many of the ladies that's out here. Who would you like collaborate, would you be able to pick one?
Could probably be Monica.
Okay, yeah, Monica good. They bring on tour, so yeah, they.
Yeah, I like Monica. And it's just I like the way she flows with music. And she actually can sing.
Definitely.
She's not she's more laid back. She do more of the type of music I do because she'll jump on a hip hop track and sing on a hook, or she'll just do a love ballad, just like that, things like that. So I think I would love to do a track with Monica. That would be wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Monica. I remember listening to her when I was growing up. She was.
It's like I want to do that slow jam track all over, just me and her, me and her. No, shout out to Usher, but but no.
I can see y'all too.
Let me try it out. Let me try it out.
I could definitely see y'all on there.
Yeah, I think Monica. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of wonderful female artists out there, but I think Monica I just like the way how she finesse with her music.
Yeah, she is good. I know a lot of people be arguing about her, but I really like her music. She always come across good, no matter what she's saying.
Yeah, pretty much.
So what do you see yourself being like in 5 years from now?
Hopefully, 5 years. I mean, definitely succeeding. With this, with the music and everything. Like I said, we have a few setbacks, so we're basically just trying to bounce back and get everybody, back on point and back to their stations, their levels, what they're supposed to be doing, on the team, and start to push and just make this, our label more, I guess more, and people can see it, So basically, if we, get that, probably 5 years, yeah, we'll be back doing our music, and after that, probably helping other people advance, and because it's always good to help people, succeed in life too. So that's just dealing with morals and principles,
Definitely.
So yeah, definitely, yeah, that will be one of the things, In 5 years, I definitely will be looking for us to be doing and helping other people, most definitely.
Okay, I like that. That's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Again, we should let. I know your album be coming out. Could you let our audience know like the time frame that your album be coming out? That way we can be looking for it.
Time frame. It will have to be like I said. I say by mid-August.
Okay.
So that's right, like that summertime, fall area. When it's starting to cool down. So yeah, that's probably around the time I'm trying to get everything back on, get it available by that time.
Okay.
Yeah, and of course, if anything updates, we definitely let you know. But yeah, that's what I'm pushing for.
Definitely. Okay, I got you. And could you let the audience know how to get in contact with you? Like if they to follow you, how to follow your music, how to get in contact with you, everything.
At Green Boy Demo. That is on Twitter, well X. Also on IG at Green Boy Demo. On Facebook, Dominique Demo Williams. And also the artist page D Mo, so D dash Mo. So those would be like most of this, those sites that I'll be on, if you can reach me. And also, Rena Creeps, that's my management. Shout out to Rena Creeps, promotion, doing her thing as well. Mm-hmm.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
And again, thank you for coming on the show. I don't know why I did all that. I forgot to tell you. I want to thank you for coming on as like a gift. Want to give you just a thank you gift for coming on the show. Just wanted from my boutique.
No doubt. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
And again, make sure y'all follow Demo on everywhere and support him. Support our black artists, especially one good like this. Because Demo, he kills it. He kills it.
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. I definitely appreciate that. Appreciate the love. Appreciate you. Inviting me out here. So. Definitely be back. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I can bring the team with me so, they can enjoy this as well. And also, rest in power, boy Phatz, also one of the Green Boy brothers, he passed, as well. So there's been a lot of, things going on, with the Green Boys, but like I said, we'll bounce back. Ain't nothing. We'll bounce back.
Oh, definitely. Gotta make sure we get you back on here when your album come out so that the audience can see it.
Oh yeah.
I want to thank you again for coming today.
No problem, cuz. No problem.
And thank y'all for tuning in to another episode of Phatz Corner.
Peace. Green boy.